Hey guys, welcome back to my tiny little kitchen. Guys, today I'm going to be decorating my kitchen for Christmas. You guys can see I have a lot of stuff out. I was taking out my Christmas mugs and I was washing them and getting them all clean. Guys, I'm going to be doing either, you could either call it either or. It's either a cozy corner or a vignette. So you guys know that I love the chef DI decor. So I'm going to be taking out my chef and I'm going to be substituting with some Christmas item. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but I finished decorating the top of my cabinet. Here you go. So that's what it's looking like. I trimmed some Christmas lights up there, so that's what it looks like. Guys, this collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY, Home Decor, and Tablescape by Candy. Guys, so you guys can see I'm going to be drying my mugs. I have Vantage mugs, Santa Claus. They're all wet. So I'm going to be using them, and all of my mugs been thrifted. Some of them are from the what is it called? Thrift hole. And this one is by Judy Westergaard. I think I'm butchering the name, but there they are. This one is a Vantage mugs. I know they sell some mugs like this, but this one is from the 80s. Guys, I'm going to be using my Snowman plate. Anyway, so when you see me next time, everything is going to be clear out. So guys, I'll be right back. All right, guys, I took everything out. Now it's time to sanitize and clean this side of my kitchen, because as you guys can see, I have stuff over here and I got stuff on the floor, guys. So we're going to get this done. So guys, I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. My family had a wonderful time. We had a lot of food. I spent the full day before cooking. Guys, I would have bring you some videos about it, but you know, there's some things that you want to keep private for you and your family. And my children asked me, let's keep it private. So that's what we did. We kept it private. Last year I posted a couple of videos, but we had a wonderful time. And this weekend I did not record anything because I have my grandson and we were doing some family activities, you know, and thanking God for giving us another day with my daughter. You know, a lot of you guys know that my daughter is on dialysis. She has not been feeling well, but nothing we can do. We gotta leave it to God. All right, guys, so I'm gonna start with my little shelf here. I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll put it over here. And in there, I want to put, well, he's too big. I'm gonna put him on top. He's too big, guys. He's too big. I'm gonna put one of the Santas here. And the snowman here. Guys, when I decor like this, everything gets used, because you guys know I got my grandson. He loves his hot cocoa. Everything gets used. So I'm going to be using my This is a mini cookie jar. A little mini cookie jar, and it has the lid. I'm telling you guys, everything is everywhere. It has the lid, but I took the lid and I'm going to use it to hold my kitchen utensils, which I usually use. So I want to put it next to the stove, like so. So yeah, guys, let me get a little bit ahead and I'll be right back. I don't want the video to be too long. All right, this is what I got so far. It's so hard to try to decorate something that you don't know where you're going with it. I'm going to place my... This is easier for me to pull my coffee maker from the corner when I am making coffee. So I'm gonna put that there. And of course, I gotta clean my coffee maker. So I will be doing that. And then I showed you a little bit of more progress. And of course I'm going to be keeping my bullet. That's what you guys call it. Because I do make my smoothie, my protein smoothie in the morning. I make a chocolate protein smoothie with a scoop of a scoop of, oh my goodness, hold up guys, with a scoop of collagen and chia seed and flax seed. Guys, it is so good. And yep, I do that in the morning. All right guys, I'm going to finish this corner because I wanted to do this side too. All right guys, I'll be right back. All right guys, let me bring you guys close. Let me bring you guys a little down as well so you guys can see. So I have my coffee maker. I have my Santa mugs hanging on my mug, I don't know, holder. Here on this side, I have the snowman. I took off his hat because it doesn't close with it's a mini cookie jar as well. And I put some hot cocos there. I do have a snowman mug next to my towel holder right here. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. And that's what I put my towel after I clean my counter and I rinse it out and everything. Also, I got this little cookie cutters from the Dollar Tree. They come in a set, so I put them in here. So I will be baking Christmas cookies, guys. And also I have my big metal cookie cutter, so I will put that there. And guys, like I said, I only don't want it to look nice but also functional. Everything here will be used. Okay, here I have honey. It's empty right now. I ran out of honey because I drink a lot of tea at night, so I have to buy more honey for that. And of course my butter, like I said, I use it in the morning. And also I have my snowman plate. So guys, this section is more like Santa Claus and snowman. And now I'm going to do a little vignette in this mess of a corner here. I will be taking my crock pot out. I thought I was going to use it for this season and I have not used it once. So I'm going to package and put it away so I can use this counter space. All right, guys. So let's get to that and I'll be right back. All right, guys. I cleaned the counter. I took some things out. Now I'm going to put the little gingerbread. This is like a little teapot thing for cream, whatever my grandson wants to use it for. And then in here, you put sugar or the hot cocoa. If you're using unsweetened hot cocoa, which I'm going to place it right there. Also, we have the little girl and boy. These are salt and pepper shakers, but I don't use them for that. I put cinnamon in one and powdered sugar in another. So he could use that as well. And also, I do have 2 mugs that came with the set, but I'm going to be placing the mugs here on the wall. You guys can see it here. So I will place a regular red mug that I usually keep here, and I will place the other one. So guys, you know, something that I have to say is with my children, they're already grown, but when they come over, they use one mug and they don't bother to rinse it, and they grab another one and they want more hot cocoa. So I already had told them just put everything on the sink. That's what I deal with. And I take care of it. And guys, the only thing that I have in this kitchen that does not go with the gingerbread or anything is the last mug that I bought my grandson. They came with a hot cocoa, which is the Grinch that Stole Christmas. So I will place this here, maybe in the back. And I'm just going to add 2 peppermint sticks. Guys, you find this at the Dollar Tree. I only find 2. I usually find more than that. And through the Christmas season, my grandson likes to have that with his hot cocoa. Just put a little bit of greenery. And I'm going to place this maybe, well, it doesn't fit back there. I just leave it right here on top of the counter. It's not a big deal. And he could use it from there. And also, in here, I have some Little Debbie's cinnamon buns, which I will be placing right here next to my cookbooks. And he have access to that. Well, guys, overall, I just got rid of just a little few things. And, of course, I have this little thing for like 3 years ago. This is from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to place it here, you know, just for ha-has. I don't even know if it works. I have not put it on the window to see. Guys, overall, my kitchen is complete. So let me come right back. Well, guys, I am done. This is the overview of my kitchen. Here you go. Here is my cozy corner on this side, except my water, of course. So I hope you guys like what I put together for you guys. And then on this other side, my little cozy corner. Well, it's supposed to be a vignette, but since my kitchen is so small that I just did the whole kitchen. So guys, I'm gonna leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.